So in today's video, I'm going to have a look at the differences between the early 6139-6000 case and the later 6139-6002 case. So I've got both of them lined up just there, and we'll just start with the 6000 case. So the first difference that you'll notice is that the case is notched, which is only present on the very early ones. It was stopped probably sometime around either late 1969 or 1970. And I can only assume that that was done to make the crown a bit easier to operate, so you can operate it from the top and the bottom rather than just the bottom. So the other thing you'll notice with this case is that it has a different sort of crystal to what these cases usually have. And in this case, it's a bonded style crystal, which only came on the very earliest 6139s. And you'll see there what it basically is. It's a glass ring which is bonded to it's a glass crystal that's bonded to a metal ring. And I'll just take it out there so you can see all sides of it. Now, why they chose this very early on, I've got absolutely no idea. I can only assume that when they were doing their first production run, it was easier to make, and then later on they changed to the full glass crystal. Now, one sort of caveat with these is that they actually, while the crystal gasket's the same part number, it often doesn't fit. So if you're changing these out for one of the later crystals, you'll need to change the crystal gasket as well. Now, if we just move over onto the newer case, you'll see there no notch, and I'll just take the crystal out as well so you can see that. So this is the most common sort of crystal, and was definitely what they went to at some point, probably halfway through 1969 or something like that. So most of the 6000 cases, the early cases, have been changed to this style crystal during service. So the bonded crystals are very uncommon. And you'll see there the underside. And it's got a frosted edge as well, these crystals. And they're quite heavily beveled, which is pretty common on SEIKO crystals, not so much on Swiss crystals. And I'm just going to put it back in the case there, and they just press down, and then the bezel presses down on top of that. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for more of these sorts of videos.